Material Designer is an AI-powered tool that allows you to redesign your space by applying multiple color themes, textures, and materials without affecting the original structure of the scene. To begin, upload your input image and choose the appropriate image visual type. Next, select the area where you want to apply a new material. Let's start with the floor. Once the floor area is selected, open the Material section. Here, you can choose between texture or reference. Start by adding a texture. Choose the texture patch you want to use as your base texture. After adding the texture, enter a prompt to guide the AI, select the material type, choose the texture shape for better precision, and adjust the reflection value as needed. Now, select your preferred image resolution and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the new material is applied to the floor. You can repeat this process to test multiple floor materials and quickly compare which option works best for your space. Now, let's explore the reference option. Switch to reference and upload any image that represents the material you want to apply. This could be a photo taken from your phone or any reference image you like. Add a prompt if you want specific guidance, or leave it empty to allow automatic detection. Click Generate and the floor will be updated with the new material inspired by the reference image. Next, let's redesign the walls. Switch the area selection to Walls. Here, you will find three options: Color, Texture, and Reference. Using the Color option, you can pick a color directly from the scene using the color picker or enter a hex color code. Click Generate and the wall color updates instantly. You can experiment with multiple colors to find the perfect match. To apply wallpaper, switch to the Texture option, add a wallpaper texture, provide a prompt for guidance, select the material type as wallpaper, and click Generate. And your selected wallpaper is applied on the wall seamlessly. You can also create textured walls. Add your selected base texture, choose the material type as textured wall, select the tile shape and standard tile size, adjust reflection levels as the texture image is cement, so we will keep the reflections low, and generate the result. Finally, using the reference option for walls, simply upload an image and generate. The AI automatically updates the wall material based on the reference. With Bnp-Ai's Material Designer, you can redesign your space unlimited times, explore creative possibilities, and make faster, smarter design decisions with ease.